Okay, so like most of you beauty, skincare, hair, all the above lovers, I love to get facials and spa treatments, and my favorite part is the steam. Unfortunately, because of my schedule, not wanting to spend money, all of any excuse in the book you could think, I don't usually go to the spa that much. So, actually, I lied. Number one reason I don't go to the spa that much is because I have an allergic reaction to the products they use, even though they say they're for sensitive skin. And I'm always scared that I'm going to go get a facial and have a horrible reaction and break out, and then I'll be ugly for like 3 weeks. True confessions of someone with sensitive skin. But anyway, so I decided I'm going to get a steamer so I can steam my face at home, use the products that I know won't break me out, and give myself that amazing spa treatment. So I do wear a lot of makeup, i.e. this makeup channel. So even though I do cleanse my face twice at the end of the day, well, twice before I go to the gym, once at the end of the day, and then once in the morning, I definitely want to really try and get into those pores, steam my face, and just have that really clean feeling that only steaming can give you. So this is the steamer that I have. I'm going to look at my phone really... Oop. Steamer's messing with my light. There we go. Steamer on the right side. I'm going to look at my phone really quick so I could just tell you guys some information about this steamer. So I bought this steamer off Amazon. It is the Zenapine Nano Ionic Facial Steamer Warm Mist Humidifier Atomizer. Okay, facial steamer is what I call it. Humidifier, moisturizing face spa steamer, black. Okay, steamer, the end. They do have this available online with a blackhead remover kit, they call it, and a cute little headband. Mine came with the headband, but I did not order the version with the blackhead removal kit. I did order this. I would say it's now April. I ordered this in December. I could not find my Amazon receipt specifically for it, so I just went and found another seller who was selling it. But if you get it with the blackhead remover kit, it costs about $35. It's $35.99 with the blackhead remover kit, which is basically those loopy metal things to like squeeze your blackheads out your face. I did not get those with it, and I only paid $30. So $30 to $35 is around the range of what this should cost. What additionally came with this, which I'm not gonna go through and dig and find it myself, is a cap, a little headband, a little like protective cap, the cord, a little thing to help put the water in more easily. So yeah, so it just came with some things to help you use it better. And it's a basic facial steamer. So I'll just really quick go through the components and show you each part. Okay, so I lied. I did get the kit with the blackhead removers, and there's some stuff in the box that I just like never even opened. I just wanted to use the steamer so bad, and I've just been using the steamer. But this is the blackhead remover kit. I'm going to open it and show you guys all the little implements and tools. This almost looks like some miniature doctor surgical kit. But be careful with these. Like, the reason why I know I do have one tool like this in terms of popping pimples and stuff, but be very careful. Once you start trying to do this stuff, then that's how you lead to scarring and hyperpigmentation and all the things that we don't want in our lives. So, you know, buyer beware in terms of using that stuff. And even when dermatologists do it, they can't guarantee that they won't cause scarring. So it's like, why are you even going to start picking at your face like that? I mean, if you see the pimples right at the top and you can easily get it out, but if it's like deep in there, don't be picking at your face crazy. These are the little ear things. I have a big old head, so I know that this would probably not even get on my head. So that way you can cover your hairline while you're steaming it. The steam gets everywhere. It's uncontrolled. So if you have some kind of hairstyle where you're like, I need my hair to be straight, no humidity and all this stuff, then you don't even mess with the steamer, because the humidity is about to murder your hair. So that's just the way it is if you have hair that like changes form or transitions or reverts as mine does once it's steamed. So if my hair is flat ironed and I don't want my edges to be curly again, then it's just something that I don't even mess with. So, but for the most part, the whole slick edges thing, if I have a fresh relaxer, they're slick. If they don't, I'd rather steam and have my little spa treatments than worry about what my edges look like. This is the little cap that goes on to cover it, just so you can keep it clean, keep the dust and fuss and everything else from living inside of there when you use it. I'm going to go to the back really quick. This is where you put the water in. So you just flip it, screw off that little plastic part, fill it up with water, put it back in, turn it on, wait 10 seconds, and it starts. Very simple to use. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now, the reason why do I even have this, like I said, because I like to steam clean my face. What I do is, once I put the water in, turn it on, I close my eyes, and I'm like this far from it, and then I just move my face around. That way, I could get the steam in different areas. A part of what really catapulted me to get this was, you guys know the whole pimple, family reunion, cystic situation that's in my chin. As much as at first I was doing like the retinol and all the different chemicals, and I was trying to figure out how could I do that going to the dermatologist. I went from August, September, October, November, December, January, February, and then I was just like, well, like January, I didn't go in February, and then I'm just like, yo, my skin looks exactly the same, and they're literally showing me the pictures that they take every couple of months, and my skin looks exactly the same. And then with my new job, the insurance was like, oh, well, we don't cover the same exact way, you're gonna have to pay this instead of paying that. And then I'm looking at the side effects from all these chemicals, woo, look crazy. So then I was like, let me go back to basics and really focus on, do I clean my skin that well? How am I doing it? What are the processes of my skin? I mean, as much as you don't need facials to have clean skin, there's a lot to be said about the steam and how it just really moistens your skin to another level, and how it makes it so much easier to get it clean after that. Now, I would say in terms of this specific product, I think it works great. I'm not going to do like a whole separate product review about it, because like I said, I feel like this video, why I steam clean my face, how I do it, could all be put into one. You could go and spend $200 and get an actual full steamer, so that way you can lay out and do it. But I'm not that committed yet, so I was like, let me get a little $30 one, try it out, see how I feel. And I have noticed such a huge difference in my skin. Unfortunately, I do have on foundation right now, so you guys can't see what my natural skin looks like, but I have noticed such a difference. Especially over here, like I said, the discoloration is starting to subside a little bit. In general, I feel like my face is more moist, and it's a really good look and part of my skincare routine. So I would definitely say, if you're thinking about getting a little steamer, just invest the $30 and you're not going to be disappointed. It's going to really help you clean your skin to that next level.